What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can withdraw money from Solflare wallet to bank account. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to have your Solflare wallet looking something like that. And what you have to do is you just have to withdraw your cryptocurrency that you have, or crypto tokens that you have, into any of the crypto exchange, which allow you to withdraw money into the local currency. So, Solflare wallet does not allow you to withdraw it into local currency or fiat currency. However, crypto exchanges like Binance or Bybit does. So what you have to do is you just have to come to Solflare wallet, simply click on this send, and here enter your recipient address for Binance. Now, to get the address from the Binance, you just have to come to Binance and then click on deposit. And then you just have to click on this deposit crypto, and then you just have to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Suppose you want to deposit Solana coin, so you just have to search for that, and then you'll be able to select the network and deposit address after you have verified your Binance. Once you have that, you will easily be able to, sell your cryptocurrency. The first things first, you just need to transfer your cryptocurrency from Solflare wallet to Binance. Once you have that here, you will easily be able to sell it by going to your profile assets. And in the assets, you will have some assets which you will easily be able to withdraw just like that into your local currency. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.